Well, back in 2013, me and Dean were out here at the Whiteford Schoolhouse, built in 1888 and fully renovated between 1995 and 2008. Took them 13 years to renovate it. At a cost of around $35,000. It's in immaculate condition. Really a great job at the renovation. I should say restoration. They have a lot of old period style artifacts inside the desks and the chalkboard. They have school groups out here. Occasionally, as you can hear, I'm still stuffed up. I am feeling better, but my voice is still not back to 100%. They got the bell tower and the flagpole up there. Doesn't have a flag in it right now, but the district number 6, 1888. A lot of shadowing in there, but they got all the desks. Anyway, you gotta believe me, they got them in there. In late 2013, Dean and I did a schoolhouse adventure video where we got a lot of these one-room schoolhouses in Southeast Michigan, and this was one of the locations. One of my personal favorites. I think it's just really nice location here. Kind of a little bit of a hill in the back. Every time I see these saved, it's a good thing. Very rare, because again, you know, they're just not money to do this kind of thing all the time. I mean, some of them get the funding they need from the historical societies or preservation committees, like this one got. Here near Lambertville, the address is Ottawa Lake, Michigan, but officially, actually very pleasant weather-wise out here right now. Lower 60s and no wind. Good chance of rain. I'm kind of looking to the western sky. It's getting a little dark. I'm feeling a sprinkle or two as we walk around here. So, yeah, I might have gotten lucky. Again, out here at the Whiteford Schoolhouse, built in 1888 and restored, or finished being restored in 2008, 11 years ago. Well tended to property. Just a cool place. Got the American flag there inside. Got the old desks and the old chalkboard. And the bell is up there. It's up there. There's some shadows, but they do got power running to it. Again, the reflection is god awful. Hard to see. Actually, I think the this is for you, meter socket. There you go. There you go, Mike. Thanks for watching, by the way. I appreciate that. But yeah, actually, maybe we can look in here. Again, there's a lot of shadows. I mean, glare. Hello. Yeah, there's desks in there. A lot of old historical stuff. Really cool. A place I can actually film relaxed without, you know what, worrying about getting caught. Unbelievable. Really, really nuts. Actually, this might be a good vantage point here. Still a lot of shadow. You can kind of see the desks. And they had the old boiler there in the center. That's cool. Anyway, can't really see it, but it's there. You gotta believe me. So anyway, there are the outhouses there, which they do have newer plumbing inside. Now it's starting to rain a little bit. Let's walk back across the property to where the video started and end it there. Thanks for coming along on day number 83, 100-day video challenge about in the books. It's been a struggle at times. Some days I'm feeling good and really enjoying it. Like right now, I'm enjoying this. And that's just the nature of it, the ups and downs. So, thank you for sticking with me through the good times and the bad. Seriously. Now I can kind of start hearing that rain coming down. And we'll get on out of here before this camera gets wet. Not that it hasn't been before. And luckily no wind and pretty nice temperatures here, 63 or so. Oh, now the rain's coming down. All right, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.